Hey everyone, today we are going to solve another POD question. Okay, so today POD question is game with string. Okay, so let's look at the problem statement. Given a string s of lowercase alphabet and a number k, the task is to print the minimum value of the string after removal of k character. Okay, so given a string where all the characters are lowercase, okay, and a number k. First of all, we need to remove k characters from our string. After this, just calculate the minimum value. Okay. So what is minimum value? So minimum value of a string is defined as the sum of square of the count of each distinct character present in the string. Okay, means first we need to remove k characters from our string. After this, just square of the all the occurrences of distinct element and just add them. Okay, that is our answer. Simple. Okay, so now we are going to discuss how we can solve this problem. Okay, using first example. Okay, so in first example, our string is a, b, and triple c, and k equal to 1. Okay, simple. So okay, our string is a, b, triple c, and k equal to 1. Okay, k means number of character which we need to delete from our string. Okay, simple. Okay, so let assume b remove a from our string. Okay, there is 5 options. Simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 options to remove characters. Okay, from our string. Simple. So let's assume we remove a from our string. Simple. So when we remove a, so remaining string is b triple c. Okay, simple. Occurrence of b is 1, occurrence of c is 3. So next question say, what question say, just square of the all the occurrences of distinct character and add them. Okay, simple. So just square them and add them. Simple. So 1 square is 1 plus 3 square is 9. It will give 10. Okay, simple. Same also we have another options to remove characters. Okay, simple. So now assume we remove b from our string. Okay, simple. Okay, so after removing of b, remaining string is a and triple c. Okay, so occurrences of a is 1, occurrences of c is 3. Simple. Same operation, square them and add them. 1 square is 1 and 3 square is 9. 10. Okay, simple. We have also another option, remove c from our string. Okay, simple. So remaining string is c, one string is removed. Okay, simple. So in this case, occurrences of a is 1, occurrence of b is 1, and occurrence of c is 2. Simple. And square them. Simple, and add them. 1 square is 1, 1, and 2 square is 4. So 6. And our answer is 6. Why our answer is 6? Because we have to calculate minimum value of the string after removing k character. Okay, simple. So our answer is 6. Simple. So after exploring these options, okay, clearly we clearly see when we are going to solve this problem. First of all, we need to identify which character we removed from our string. uh, that then our string provides a minimum value. Okay, simple. So first of all, we need to identify which character uh, we should remove. uh, then our string provide minimum value. Okay, simple. So you can see this is our first option. Okay, first option 1, and this is our option 2, and this is our option third. Okay, simple. Okay, so in this case, occurrence of age 1 and we remove a, answer is 10. Okay, minimum value of string is 10. Simple. Same as it is, occurrences of b is 1 and we remove b from our string and we will get 10. But when we remove c, okay, when we remove c, we will get 6, which is less than comparatively other minimum value of strings. Okay, simple. Other values, uh, okay, comparatively other values, this is our minimum value. Okay, simple. So you can see this is our occurrences of c is more than other characters. Okay, in actual string occurrences of c is 3. Okay, which is more than other characters. Simple. So you can see in arithmetic operation like character of occurrence of a is 1 and occurrence of b is 1, same occurrence of c is 3. Okay, so here also you can see when we remove a from our string means occurrence of 1 to 0. Okay, simple. So 1 to 0, 0 square plus 1 square plus 3 square. This is 9. Okay, 9. Simple. But when we remove a character uh, from end means when we remove c character from our string, so you can see 1 square plus 1 square, and after removing c, occurrence is 2. Simple. So 2 square, 2 square, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Here difference 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, difference between 1 and 0 1. But you can see here 3 square is 9, okay, and 2 square is 4, difference between these two 5. So means where difference is maximum, means we will get minimum value of our string, okay, simple. Okay, so now clear. We should remove more occurrences of character, okay, simple. Which character have more occurrences than other elements, okay, simple. First of all, we remove this, okay, simple. Okay, now we are going to discuss how we are going to code, okay, simple. Okay, so just remove these steps, okay. So first of all, we need to we should know occurrences of each characters, okay. So for occurrences of each characters, we use map. We use map and store all the characters in map, simple. So occurrences of A is 1, occurrences of B is 1, and occurrences of C is 3, okay. So first step is complete, okay. Our first step is need to know occurrences of each character, simple. Our next step, identify which character have maximum occurrences, okay, which character have maximum occurrences comparatively other characters, simple. So in this case, C has more occurrences comparatively other characters, okay, simple. So C is equal to 3, simple. So after this, we remove character from C, simple. We remove characters from our string C, okay. C characters we remove from our string. So for this, we can use a priority queue, okay. In priority queue, our elements are inserted in descending order, okay, simple. So when we store all the occurrences of characters in priority queue, all elements in already inserted in decreasing order. So we can directly remove characters from this, okay, simple. Let's see how we can do, simple. So make a priority queue, okay, and store all the occurrences of characters, simple. So when we store all the occurrences of characters, so our occurrences is stored like this, okay. In priority queue, all the elements inserted in always in decreasing order, simple, okay. Okay, so simple. After storing in priority queue, just we need to reverse all these value in our priority queue, okay, simple. Like this, if this character is 2, okay, if this element is 2, so just fetch top of the element, okay, just fetch top of the element of priority queue, because top of the element is maximum in all the elements, okay, simple. So like if k equal to 2, okay, if k equal to 3, simple. So first 3 is top of the element, okay, simple. So just fetch it and remove it from there, okay, just fetch it and remove it from there. And 3 minus 1, remove one character from, remove one character means minus 1, simply perform minus 1, okay. So this will equal to 2, okay. So after removing this, after minus 1, simple, just insert this element again in our priority queue. So when we insert it in our element is simple, so order is 2 2 1, simple. Same uh, uh, again while be performing these operations, while our k is not equal to 0, simple. So next iteration, our 2, okay, in top of the priority queue, two elements is 2 is available, okay, simple. So phase 2 and just perform minus 1. After performing minus 1, 2 minus 1 equal to 1, simple. And our k equal to 3, minus minus equal, okay, 3, then 2 in first operation, and second operation k will be k will be 1, simple. Okay, and just remove it and insert new updated value, okay, simple. So when we insert 1, then order of your priority queue is 2 1 1. So automatically top occurrences means most occurrences character is already in the top of the our priority queue, okay, simple. So k equal to 1, simple. Okay, just repeat previous iteration, simple. So in this iteration, we fetch the 2 and just perform minus 1. After performing, just insert minimum, insert updated value in our period, okay, simple. So we inserted k equal to uh, okay, we inserted 1 and k equal to 1. So k equal to 1, k minus minus 1, okay, k minus minus, so k minus minus will give 0. So our k is 0, means we successfully removed k characters from our string, okay, simple. So we removed 2 and inserted 1. So in this case, all the occurrence 1. After this, we need to just do fetch all the elements and just square them and add them simply. Okay, that is our answer. Okay, so in this case k equal to 3, but our case k equal to 1, so simply just remove one character from this. Okay, so here only one. Okay, a occurrence is 1 and b occurrence is 1 and c occurrence is 3. Simple. So just remove one character means 3 replaced with 2. So 2, 1 and 1, and after this k, our k is k will be 0. Simple. So just square them and add them, that is our answer. Okay, simple. Now we are going to how now we are going to see how we can code. Simple. Okay, so you can see, first of all, we declare an ordered map. Okay, in unordered map we store all the characters of our string. Simple. Okay, after this we made a queue. Okay, and in queue we store all the occurrences of each characters. Simple. And after this we performing k operations while k is not equal to 0. Just we fetch the top of the element of our queue and pop it, and simple update this value equal to -1 and just insert the updated value in our priority queue again. Okay, so after completing each operations means when our k is 0, then we just need to calculate the answer. Okay, simple. So for calculating answer, iterate just iterate every element of the priority queue and just square them and add them in our answer variable, and that is our answer. Okay, simple. And after this just return answer. Okay, so just submit it. Okay, thank you.